You might recognize baking soda as the orange box in your fridge that absorbs odors or as a key ingredient in baking. But did you know it's also useful for health and hygiene? Here's how. Oral health. Baking soda can help remove plaque, the sticky layer of bacteria in your mouth, which, if left untreated, can harden into tartar and cause gum disease. Wet your toothbrush, dip it in baking soda, and brush as usual. Since baking soda lacks fluoride, continue using regular toothpaste to protect against cavities and tooth decay. Freshening. Breath. If you have bad breath from eating garlic or other strong-smelling foods, rinse your mouth with a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in half a glass of water. Unlike minty mouthwashes that mask odors, baking soda eliminates them. Odor control. Baking soda neutralizes acidic or basic odor molecules, making it effective against body odor. Dust a small amount under your arms in the morning, or use deodorants that list sodium bicarbonate as an ingredient. Kidney health. For people with chronic kidney disease, sodium bicarbonate can help reduce acid levels in the body, potentially slowing bone loss and muscle breakdown. Consult your doctor before using it for this purpose, as researchers are still studying its effects. Tamp down. Acid reflux. Sodium bicarbonate can help neutralize excess stomach acid that might rise into your throat and mouth after eating. You can purchase it over the counter as chewable tablets or make your own antacid by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of water. Consult a doctor before giving it to children under 6, or if you need to use it regularly along with other medications. Eases pain. Sodium bicarbonate can enhance the pain-relieving effects of lidocaine used in epidurals. Researchers are also exploring its potential to alleviate cancer pain. For sunburn relief, soak a washcloth in a solution made from 4 tablespoons of baking soda per quart of water and gently dab it on the affected areas. This method can also soothe other minor burns, including windburn. Medical uses. Hospitals use sodium bicarbonate for treating cardiac arrest, poisoning, and to counteract the acidity of certain chemotherapy drugs. Some studies suggest that reducing acid levels may slow the growth of certain tumors. Skin irritations. For minor irritations like mosquito bites or poison ivy, make a paste with 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Apply it to the affected area for 20 minutes before washing it off. You can also add half a cup of baking soda to your bath to relieve itching and redness. Skin care. Use baking soda as a gentle facial scrub. After washing your face with a mild cleanser, make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Gently rub it on your skin in circular motions, then rinse off. Hair care. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your shampoo to remove buildup from hair products. This will leave your hair cleaner and easier to style. Bath and body. Add half a cup of baking soda to your bath water to neutralize acids, remove sweat and oil, and leave your skin feeling smooth. After your bath, you can use baking soda to clean the tub as well. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its alkaline properties. Some research suggests that it may have potential benefits for cardiovascular health by helping to regulate pH levels in the blood and improve blood flow. By consuming baking soda in water, it is thought to create an alkaline environment in the body, which may help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. However, it's essential to approach such interventions with caution and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. While baking soda may offer potential benefits for some individuals, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and its effects can vary depending on individual health factors. By incorporating baking soda into your routine, you can take advantage of its many benefits for health and hygiene.